When you're ready to add a new page, you have a couple of options. You can go under Pages, Add New, to add a new page that way, or you can take an existing page that has a layout you like, and you can duplicate it. Let's take a look at Product 1. Let's go and view it on the front end like a browser. Okay, so one of the things that's nice about using an existing page is it enforces whatever layout paradigms you've put in place, so you're not creating brand new layouts for every page with little differences in spacing and padding. Let's go ahead and create this page from scratch, just so you can see what's involved. So first I'm going to click Add New, and then I'll add a title. I'm going to call it Product 2. Not that this is a product, but it's a page. It's fine, whatever. I'm going to launch Beaver Builder. Alright, so starting out, once it loads, we'll have a blank page with an empty middle, although we'll have a header and a footer. So the first thing I want to do is add a heading that displays the current page's name. So here I can type my heading in. I'll drag this over here so you can see it a little better. And I'll use this feature here to add the post title or page title, that's the same thing, to the page. I'll click on Save. And now I need to add, let's see, I need to add a row for content. So I'm going to have a right sidebar in this row based on the layout I was looking at earlier. And that's real nice. So I've got a row with 2 columns ready to go. In this left column, I'm going to drag a text editor module. All right, great, that's done. And let's see, I'm going to add some media to it because I need a picture there, if I recall. So I'm just going to go ahead and select one of my pictures. A horse is a good one. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the sizes here. Now, your sizes may be different based on implementation. I'm just going to choose the medium size, and I'm going to insert that into the post. And then I'm going to go grab some text and see if I can drop some text in here just so I can have something to look at. I go to lipsum.org and I just grab some placeholder text, and I'm going to go ahead and paste it in there. Alright, but it doesn't wrap. In order to wrap, I've got to left justify the image. There you go. Now I'll save it and move on to the next thing, which is what's going to go in the right column. Probably some widgets. I saw a search widget and a calendar widget in there. So let's go ahead and grab some Wordpress widgets. And this is where you go to do it. Search goes in first, so just drag it up there. I'll give it a name, a title of search, sounds good. Save that. Now I'm going to add the calendar widget next. There it is. Drag that down there and put that in and give it a name, a title if you will. Calendar. Great. Let's save that. Alright, everything looks like it's laid out pretty good. Let's see what happens. Let's go ahead and done and publish. Well, we've got some spacing and padding issues here. If you look at the right and left columns, let's go back into Product 2 and let's fix that. So I got to go to the column now, and it's the column padding I want to choose here because I want both of the modules that are in that column to be offset from the column to the left a little bit. So 40 looks good. You can put whatever makes sense for you. I'll save that. Yeah, that looks pretty close to what we were seeing before. Let's make sure there's just no other margins or padding set inside any of these widgets or modules. There's not. By default, it's always zeroed out, so that's good. All right, let's go ahead and publish that. Let's look to see for differences between Product 1 and Product 2. I can see one already. The calendar has a title. That's wrong. The original layout doesn't. So this is a good example of why you'd want to duplicate a page instead of redoing this all from scratch.